Hi, my name is Rohit Kambre. Today date is 9 September 2024 and today's topic is control statement in Java. First I give the information about control statement. Control statement is a part of Java. Also we can call it provide Java as a feature. Control statement means it when Java compiler execute from top to bottom. This time need to take the decision according to statement when will we execute any statement. In Java control flow statement, there is provide three types of statement. First is decision making, second is loop statement, third is jumping statement. Decision statement, there is also two parts, if statement and switch statement. Decision making means whenever program we need to execute, this time check the which condition we need to execute it, particular according to statement and condition and rules. This time we can use decision making. Sometime whenever for example we compare any elements and any iterations, like this for example 10 is greater than 5 or 5 is less than 10, like this in same in way in situation we can need to check the condition and take the decision. For this statement we can use first if statement. If statement means it is written the true or false whenever need to provide any condition and statement in if condition. This time if statement check the whether it condition true, whether it condition is true it will return true, otherwise it will be written false. And same switch statement. Switch statement is also same, like in this way it is also work as a if statement. If statement have three to four types. First is simple if statement, second is if else statement, third is if else if statement, and fourth is nested if statement. If statement you only check the condition, otherwise it will be true or false execute. And if else statement, whenever we program is executed, if statement is not true, then move to else statement. Other when if statement is true, it not be move to else statement. In program only both statement check, and if statement is true executive, otherwise else statement, like this in same. And if else statement, if else statement and else means whenever we implement any program, check the condition in if condition. If condition is true, then it will be move in inside the if else statement. And if a statement is true, it will be executed, otherwise it again move to else statement, like in this way. Nested if we need to check the inside the condition, like it inside condition. This time we can use if statement. If statement we inside if statement, again if statement, then last else statement, like this. Else statement we cannot use without if statement. Now coming to point, switch statement. What is a statement? Switch statement. Statement is also same as the if statement, but there we use the multiple cases. Cases means block of code, multiple block of code. It is called cases. We consider one like the case 1, case 2, case 3. We simply implement the case number and take the output, like the same. Coming to second control flow, loop statement. Loop statement, what is loop statement? Loop statement means whenever we need to iterate the any task multiple time, so this time we can use loop statement. In their loop statement, for loop, while loop, do while loop. For loop is used whenever we know the range of particular control statement or any statement whenever we executed. This time when we have range starting and end, this time we can use for loop. For loop we have syntax of for loop: first start, end, and increment decrement. And while loop first give the while loop also called entry control, because whenever we implement the program, we first check the condition then execute it. First condition check means syntax of while bracket in bracket condition in curly bracket statement or plus increment or decrement. Now do while loop. What do you mean do while loop? Do while loop means at least one time it is statement executed. In there first do while loop do statement executed, then condition check while then increment or decrement, like this thing. Now coming to point, jumping statement. What is jumping statement? Jumping statement we mostly use in loop statement. There is break and continue. Jumping statement means jump to next iteration. So coming to point, break. What is the break? Whenever we given any condition in loop using if else statement and any loop, then we can assign the break. This time whenever previous condition is true, then break statement will be break the loop and exit from loop. Now continue loop. Continue loop means whenever your condition is true, rather than it will be coming to next iteration part, it will be not exit from loop. It move to next iteration and check the next iteration and execute it. These all are types of also types and information of control statement in Java. We can take the all control statement help and make the program decision making program like same. Whenever we need to take any decision for execute any program particular condition like this thing. Thank you so much.